In a significant ruling, the top court has set aside a Delhi High Court order that had directed removal of a Wikipedia page related to defamation proceedings initiated by news agency Asian News International, that is ANI, against the Wikimedia Foundation. The High Court had earlier held that the page titled Asian News International versus Wikimedia Foundation was prima facie contemptuous and interfered with court proceedings. A bench comprising Justices Abhay S. Oak and Ujjal Bhuya of the Supreme Court overturned this order, stressing that courts are public institutions and that media reporting on judicial proceedings should not be restricted. The court reiterated that in a democratic society, public debate and constructive criticism of the judiciary are not only permissible but necessary. Drawing from key precedents such as Sahara India Real Estate Corporation versus SEBI and the 9-judge bench ruling in Naresh Mirajkar versus State of Maharashtra, the court emphasized that any restriction on reporting judicial proceedings must meet the twin tests of necessity and proportionality. The controversy arose from a defamation suit filed by ANI against Wikimedia, alleging that its article on ANI contained content that was defamatory and undermined its credibility. ANI sought 2 crores in damages and the removal of the allegedly defamatory content. Although Wikimedia clarified that the content was user generated and referred public media reports, the Delhi High Court directed Wikipedia to delete the disputed page. The High Court had also taken exception to a user comment on the page which mentioned that a judge had threatened to shut down Wikipedia in India, a statement reportedly sourced from an Indian Express article. Let me tell you, in November last year, ANI's contempt plea was closed after Wikimedia temporarily removed the page. However, in the main defamation case, interim relief was granted to ANI and Wikimedia was ordered to delete further disputed content from the ANI Wikipedia page. The High Court Division Bench partly stayed these directions but maintained the order barring the publication of allegedly defamatory content. Before the Supreme Court, Wikimedia contended that the content merely echoed existing public reports and that directing its deletion infringed upon open debate and transparency. Well, the Apex Court agreed with this, holding that directing removal of all false, misleading, and defamatory content was too broadly framed and practically unenforceable. The judgment underscored that courts should not act as censors of public discourse and instead should welcome scrutiny and critique, provided it does not cross the line into contempt.